Here I have Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 5G, and today I'm going to show you how to disable PIN code for the SIM card on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open settings, and you have to go to biometrics and security section, then go to the other security settings, and here you have set up SIM card lock, and by tapping on the slider you can disable SIM card lock, but firstly, you will have to enter your PIN, and after that, lock will be disabled. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.